and welcome to channel Myra. So as you all know, it is a corona now going on, so please be safe and fine. Okay, and today my story name is the three little pigs, because can you see these pigs? But there are three, so there's only two, right? So it's only three little pigs. Okay, can we start now? Are you ready to watch? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Once upon a time, there lived a mother pig living with the three little pigs. Dear kids, now all of you have grown up. You must seek your fortune by yourself. I can no more sustain you. Mother gave them some money to travel to the buildings to the faraway town to build their own houses. And then the three little pigs left their mother's house together. Then they rested under a tree. Now we got the chance to prove ourselves. Why don't we take our separate routes and try our luck? Yes, we can survive on our own strength. But the third pig, who was wiser than the other two, wasn't happy of the idea of separation. He can know that anyone can take off his naive brothers, and they will get in some trouble. Brothers, I don't agree with you. Unity is our strength, and we should not break our strength. You always try to preach. We know what to do and what not to do. Yes, but now we are not Mama's boys to listen to your speech. Okay, I agree, but I have an idea which will help us all. Huh? We will take our separate routes and build ourselves the houses. Okay, I agree. Next day, they tried to build their own houses. So the first pig go to the farmer. Farmer, I want to buy these straws to build my new house. Yes, please, you can buy it. So the first pig sold straws from the farmer, and then he went happily to build his house. The second pig went to the woodcutter along the path. I want some sticks to be economical and easy to build. I can buy a cozy bed to sleep with the remaining money. So he sold some sticks from the woodcutter. Then the third pig was wiser than the others, was bringing up bricks so that can last us longer. I would rather sleep on a mat than I have for a secure future. He went to the house and brought some bricks. Then, by the time they were building their houses, the first pig built his house by morning. Such a smart architect I am, I built the house much faster than the other two. Now I have tea in the house and take some rest. The second pig builds his house by evening. Since my house is made of stick, it must be much stronger than a straw house. Then the third pig was building his house by the week. All the rest of the brothers was just only having to sit for a while. The third pig didn't bother about it. He was still constructing the basic of the house. Then the next morning, when the two brothers came out of the house, they laughed at him. What happened, brother? Do you have any difficulty in building the house? You must go up the ears. You think you build a weak house? Yours is the strongest one? The third pig to his brothers, but he focused on his work. Brick by brick, he completed the house by the week. Then they have spent their time in their new house. But soon a wolf saw the three little pigs and decided to eat them. Then the first wolf knocked at the door. Little pig, let me come in. No, not by the hair of my chinny chin. I will huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. He took a lamp full of sand and blew to the little pigs. Then all the straws went away. With the blow also the pig rolled into the second pig's house. What happened? Why you came in rolling into my house? He just hit in the table and shouted, Close the door! Close the door! The wolf is about to eat me. He might come here to unharm us. Huh? Then the second pig ran to the door and closed it, even all the locks. And then when the wolf came, he started banging on the door. Little pig, let me come in. No, not by the hair of my chinny chin. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. And then he took a long full of it and blew air on the little pig's house. Everything just flew away. The pigs realized there was no roof on the house, there were no walls on the side. They all ran to save their lives and entered to the third pig's house. Then he said, what happened? Why are you so scared? The forest was coming to us, our house, and blew our houses are there. He might come here and blow away your house too. Let's run and go back to mother. He cannot even blow on the brick of my house. I'll teach him a lesson. Let him come. My brother, you hide on the shelf and don't come down if he succeeds to come and eat me. Then the two brothers climb up the shelf. Then the wolves start coming in, banging and pushing the door. Go away, run away, ugly wolf. You can't break through my house ever. You don't know about my strength. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house. I'll blow your brother's houses too. Then try your luck. You will breathe, but you will not succeed. He filled a lung full of air and blew air on the little pig's house. But the house stood still. He tried a bigger blow and blew air on the little pig's house. But the house never blew. Then, after some more trials, he lost his breath and fell to the ground. Then, the third pig slowly opened the door and saw the wolf lie down. And then he locked the door again. Then, he said, you nasty brothers, I'll eat you today anyhow. The wolf climbed up the chimney. He was struggling to enter the chimney. Then, when he just see the chimney, he go inside finally. He entered it. And then he slipped, and then the third pig already here and throw the fire, and he already slipped and soon burned into the fire. Ouch! And the three of his pig brothers lived happily forever. So, do you know what's the moral of the story? Do you all know? No. So I'm telling you the moral of the story is strength and unity. If you go together, then you will be more powerful. And that's how they build their houses. So please like, share and subscribe channel Myra. Please be happy and please be safe.